Welcome to my channel T slash MR, which means tech master slash Mr. Everything. So our topic is top 10 best programming language to learn in 2024. What are the best programming language to learn in this year 2024? As so the languages to learn 2024 are: number 1, Python. Python maintains its stronghold as one of the most versatile and beginner-friendly languages. It excels in web development, data science, artificial intelligence, and more. With its readability and extensive library, Python is a must-learn for any aspiring programmer. JavaScript, number 2, remains indispensable for web development, powering interactive and dynamic content as the backbone of front-end development. Mastering JavaScript is essential for anyone looking to build robust and engaging user interface. Number 3, Java. Java's write once, run anywhere philosophy makes it a stalwart enterprise-level application and Android app development. Strong community support and portability contribute to its enduring popularity. Number 4, C++. C++ continues to be a cornerstone in system programming, game development, and high-performance applications. It offers low-level manipulation with high-level abstraction, making it a good for performance-critical strike. Swift. Swift is also an Apple programming language. That means it is made from Apple Technological Company. It is integral for iOS and macOS app development. Its syntax is concise and expressive, making it a favorite among developers for creating seamless and intuitive user experience. We also have Go, the long name Golang. Golang or Go, simply concurrency, support, and performance have propelled it into the spotlight for cloud-based application and microservices architecture. It's a valuable addition to any developer toolkit. Kotlin, endorsed by Google for Android development, has gained popularity for its consistency and interoperability with Java. Learning Kotlin open doors to create efficient and modern Android applications. And then another one is Rust. Rust is known for its focus on safety and performance. Rust is making waves in system-level programming. Its ownership model eliminates many common programming errors, making it a robust choice for critical applications. TypeScript, as a superset of JavaScript, TypeScript adds static typing, making it a favored choice for large-scale applications. Compatibility with existing JavaScript code bases and improved developer experience contribute to its rising prominence. PHP remains a cornerstone for server-side web development, with frameworks like Laravel and Symfony. PHP continues to evolve, offering efficient solutions for building dynamic and scalable web applications. Ruby again. Another one is Ruby. Ruby elegant syntax and the Rails framework make it a potent combination for web development. It emphasizes conversion with configuration, fostering rapid development and maintainability. Another one is also shell scripting. In the world of automation and system administration, bash scripting is valuable. Mastering shell scripting enhances efficiency and productivity for managing and automating tasks. SQL. Full meaning of SQL is structured query language. Is the language of database. Whether you are a database administrator or a developer, efficiently SQL is essential for managing and querying database effectively. Then again, we have Scala's blend of object-oriented and functional programming makes it a powerful language for building scalable and robust applications. It is particularly favored in big data processing with Apache Spark. CRC is a staple in the Microsoft ecosystem, powering those applications game development with Unity and backend services with ASP.NET. Its versatility and integration capabilities make it a valuable skill to possess. MATLAB is synonymous with mathematical modeling and numeric computing, widely used in academia industry. It is indispensable for engineers, scientists, and researchers. That's known for its use in Flutter development is gaining traction for building cross-platform mobile applications. Its reactive framework and hot reload feature contribute to faster development cycles. Driller is emerging as a powerful language for scientific computing and high-performance applications. Its speed and ease of use make it a promising choice for researchers and engineers. And the last one, assembly language. Understanding assembly language provides insights into the low-level operation of a computer. Why not use as widely as higher-level language? Proficiency in assembly language is valuable for system-level programming and optimization. Thank you everyone for listening to my video. Don't forget to subscribe to this video. Thank you everyone for listening to this wonderful video. Bye bye.